everyone! Welcome sa Hyundai Manila Bay. Today, mayroon po tayong Hyundai Mobile Workshop Weekend. Actually, nag-start ito kahapon pa lang, June 21 and until now, June 2022. Nagsiset up po tayo ngayon sa isang booth. Located ito, malapit po sa may Grand Village at malapit po sa may covered court. So, we are offering a free service. Like covered po niya is a free 23-point check-up, free GDS Global Diagnostic System, free top-up of all fluids like engine oil, transmission fluid, gear oil, brake fluid and coolant, and windshield washer and more. So punta lang po sila dito sa location na to, and we also have a test drive for the Hyundai Stargazer. I will assist you. This is Chill and Cecil, your sales consultant for this day. Thank you!